Welcome to Brave Inputs. Today we have a delicious recipe for you, Neer Dosa. Neer Dosa is a popular South Indian dish made from rice batter. It is thin, soft, and incredibly tasty. So let's get started. To make Neer Dosa, you will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of rice, water for soaking, salt to taste, oil for cooking. First, wash the rice thoroughly and soak it in water for about 4-5 hours. After soaking, drain the water and transfer the rice to a blender. Add some water and blend it into a smooth batter. The consistency of the batter should be thin, similar to that of milk. Next, add salt to the batter and mix well. Now, heat a non-stick pan on medium heat and grease it with a little oil. Take a ladle full of the batter and pour it onto the pan. Spread the batter in a circular motion to form a thin dosa. Cover the pan with a lid and let the dosa cook for about a minute. Once the edges start to turn golden brown, gently flip the dosa and cook the other side for another minute. Remove the dosa from the pan and repeat the process with the remaining batter. Neer dosa is best served hot with coconut chutney or sambar. The soft and delicate texture of the dosa pairs perfectly with the flavors of the chutney or sambar. And there you have it, a delicious and easy to make Neer dosa. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Brave Inputs for more exciting recipes like this. Also, like, share, comment, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Or